It's a million of me. It's a million of me. Million of me. What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back to Dose of Taylor, and today's video is going to consist of, I'm pretty sure you read the title, DIYing bleaching my hair and fucking dyeing it. I am not a professional, so do not take all these rules and steps like completely serious, because if you fuck up your hair, you just fuck up your hair. Start the fucking video. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna hop right into this video, and I'm gonna show y'all all the products that you're gonna need for DIYing bleaching and coloring your hair. So first things first, you're gonna need a mixing bowl, 20 volume cream developer by the brand Zoto's Professionals, and then I also got the lightener, well, bleach, but it says lightener, and it proves to straighten and protect hair. So hopefully that do some justice to my hair, because I don't want to be bleaching my hair and then I comb it and end up like that girl off Instagram. That's not gonna be hot. So you're gonna use those two products, and then you're gonna mix them in a pink bowl. And what else do I have? I have my gloves too. You wanna make sure you have gloves while you're dealing with products like this, because you ain't got time to be damaging your cute hands, okay? And then you got your shower cap. And the hair color I chose was Ion Brilliance, Color Brilliance, and Cyan or Cayenne. I think it's cyan. It's a tint of shine. So hopefully it come out looking like this. That's gonna be a bomb ass color on me, because I'm a bomb ass bitch. And then you wanna make sure you got your little mixing thingy too, whatever this is called. And then after you brighten your hair, you wanna make sure you get like that shimmer like shampoo, the purple shampoo or whatever. But the girl at the salon store told me I could just get this, and it's the same thing. Sure, y'all, I don't want to fuck up my hair. Okay, so I'm using this product first, the bleaching, and it says to mix the whole amount that's in here. So this is 1 ounce, so it says distribute the 1 ounce pack of bleach inside your mixing bowl, and it said 3 ounces of this. My boyfriend need to keep it down in there. Too much damn ounces. Okay, I feel like a professional. Get all in there, bitch. Get every little ounce in my pocket, get in there. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. Strong little smell too. And in all the videos I watched, they got it to be not too creamy, not too thick consistency. Bitch, you ready? Be ready. Okay, y'all, so my camera talking about some overheating shit. So instead of talking, I'm just gonna, you know, hurry up this process. So I'm done. As you guys can see, washing the bleach out. I added the purple package that I had. It's like some color additive inside my shampoo. I washed it 3 times, guys, because I don't want to make no mistakes. Like, I remember watching a video on Instagram where this girl was combing her hair and some hair came out. No hair came out on mine, y'all, so we good. Okay, so as you guys can see, I put all the glue. I'm pretty sure it's glue. I don't know why the hell they call it cyan. C-Y-A-N. Tell me how to pronounce that down below in the comments. But I think it's cyan or cayenne, whatever. Hey y'all, so I'm back and it's the next night. It's not even the next day. I totally didn't even get up this morning and put on some makeup for work. I didn't even do my hair. I just let my hair decondition and I just left out the house. This little brush hurt my hair. It's hurting my scalp. Okay, so y'all, I just finished up my makeup. How did it turn out? Let me know in the comments below if you guys want a full tutorial of me actually telling you what products I used and what technique works for me best to achieve this look. So just make sure you leave a comment down below for any more questions that you may have for me.